Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in Los Alcazares, a beautiful coastal town that is in the southeastern area of Spain in the region of Murcia. I am located here on Playa de la Concha, which is a beautiful beach just 1.5 kilometers away from where we'll be showing you a gorgeous show house today. So, can I tell you a little bit about Alcazares? Well, where we are located is on the western side of Mar Menor, and as you can see in the winter here we are experiencing this beautiful, picturesque and peaceful, really serene living experience. But just to go a little bit further, when it comes to the property today, it is a detached, modern, contemporary villa that is on a plot of 222 square meters, and the actual house itself is 113 square meters. Distributed on 2 floors, it offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's gorgeous on the inside. So let's get the tour started, shall we? Coming in through the pedestrian entrance of the villa, immediately I come into the space where you would enjoy the warm climate for the ground floor level. We are out here in the outdoor sun lounging space. You also have a rectangular swimming pool, and to the left there is also a nice driveway to enter with your vehicle through electric gates and drive through to your garage. So what I would say is, with this configuration as they have it at the moment, you might be thinking, oh, I might want a larger swimming pool. Because of the way that they are actually doing the project at the moment, the developer is actually able to change the size and the dimensions of the swimming pool. So you could, for example, have it so that it was going this way and longer. You could have it so that it was even longer going this direction, or even have it as an L-shaped swimming pool. But what I do really like is that it overlooks the living area, and you have patio doors that lead out directly to this outdoor space. Taking you around the home now on the outside, as you can see, the stone paving goes all the way around the home, and we're going towards the rear of the property now. And this is a space that could be also an additional terrace for you to use on those warmer days. It has actually also got installation here for a sink and countertops if you were thinking that you might want to have an outdoor barbecue kitchen. And interestingly enough, here you also have a door that gives you direct access for the property if you do have a garage. This is the garage, and the garage is currently 14 square meters. Let's say you didn't want a garage and you wanted just a carport. This could actually contribute to the extra living space that you have inside the home. But it leads ever so nicely back towards the front of the home. Hello. So as I come through the front door, you are immediately met with a bright, light and inviting space that is well illuminated with natural sunlight. Next to the front door you will find is your alarm system, your intercom system, and also your air conditioning system, conveniently put here on the wall. But as I come in, I am coming in through the entry hall into an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The space altogether is 40 square meters and the ceiling height is 2.5 meters. Here on Sud, they have actually designed this area of the space for dining, and it has here a table that is set to dine for. But what I really like is the configuration of the kitchen. This kitchen feels spacious. It feels like it's a place where you can have not only a great time cooking, but also a great time entertaining. You have storage cabinets underneath, marble countertops, which I love. You also have as well a breakfast bar on the other side of this island that is set to dine too. Conveniently here located is a wine chiller. And then on this side, you have a continuation of not just your storage cabinets, but your appliances. So you have your kitchen sink, a window here to let in extra light and views, your dishwasher, your electric hob, oven, extractor, and also have your refrigerator. The developer is fantastic in the sense that they give you different kinds of personalizations that you can make even with your kitchen. So let's say you wanted to have your refrigerator boxed in and have it as an integrated cabinet, you could do that. So coming now into the living space, and this is a nice inviting sized living space. As you can see, throughout the flooring is large stone paved, which is just beautiful because it gives it a really seamless aesthetic. And here you have patio doors that open out and give you access directly to the swimming pool, terraces and garden. Now, I'm going to take you across the way and show you the rest of the ground floor. To my left, you will see that this would be your storage room, where you would have extra places to put things. And then next to that, I'm going to take you to the first bedroom. This bedroom has a similar interior feel. It is light, bright, modern and welcoming. It is 14 square meters. On one side, you have integrated wardrobes, and then on the other side, giving you that amazing, immense amount of light, you have the patio doors that open out onto the terrace. And you also have an ensuite bathroom. But the clever layout of this home is that it works as an ensuite bathroom and it also works as your guest bathroom. And accessibility through 2 doors. Coming up the marble staircase, looking at clear balustrades and great sight lines, on the first floor, it has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. The second bedroom, this bedroom is again light and bright as you enter. On one side, you have your integrated wardrobes and then very large patio doors that give you access to a rather spacious terrace. Really yummy for the space that you have, even on the upper floors with the terraces. And then as you come back into the hall, you will find that this is the main bathroom that serves both bedrooms, fully equipped. Along the hall, it then leads to the third bedroom. This bedroom is 11 square meters and it has again a similar feel with your patio doors that lead out onto its own private balcony terrace and also integrated wardrobes. Coming upstairs to the upper floor solarium, this gives you an additional space to enjoy outdoor life. You not only get to have an increased amount of living space, but you also get to appreciate the panoramic views of the location. After all, we're in Los Alcazares, which is on the western side of Mar Menor. And just imagine, right now it's lovely and quiet. That sunshine is giving me life. But can you imagine in the summertime, a place where you basically don't even have to travel to be feeling like you're on holiday every day? That's what this location has to offer. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €800 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse collection is €150 per year. This is a fantastic villa in a fantastically sought after location. Los Alcazares is actually really close to everything. Because you are also very close to Alicante as a province, you get to appreciate both areas. You get to appreciate local cities and towns within really close proximity, walking distance for recreational activities, natural parks, to see one of Europe's largest saltwater lagoons, and well, lots to do for tourism all year round. What's really great about this particular construction is, well, for the price point, you actually get everything. For €420,000, you get the solarium, which is optional. You also get the house as you see it, fully furnished, decoration, lighting, underfloor heating if you want it as an extra potentially. But outside of that, air conditioning, electric shutters, electric gates, car parking space, swimming pool. All you have to do is literally unpack your suitcase and come on in. But let's say, for example, you wanted to see if it comes in with another price point. If you're not wanting the solarium and you're happy to be unfurnished as you come in, it is $395,000. So if you do like the finer details, you'd like to see them and check them out, go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.